Building bigger arms is a common fitness goal. While rapid growth might seem elusive, with the right approach and consistency, you can significantly increase your arm size in just 30 days. Let's break down the essential steps to achieve your desired results. Step 1. Understand the basics. Before diving into intense workouts, it's crucial to grasp the fundamental principles of muscle growth. Muscle composition. Your arms primarily consist of biceps, triceps, and forearms. Understanding their functions is key to targeted training. Hypertrophy. This term refers to muscle growth. It occurs when your muscles are subjected to progressive overload, meaning lifting heavier weights over time. Nutrition. Adequate protein intake is essential for muscle repair and growth. Combining workouts with a balanced diet will optimize results. Rest and recovery. Muscles grow during rest, not during workouts. Ensure you're getting enough sleep and incorporating rest days into your routine. Step 2. Create a targeted workout routine. Developing a structured workout plan is essential for maximizing arm growth. Compound exercises. Incorporate exercises like push-ups, pull-ups, and dips to engage multiple muscle groups, including your arms. Isolation exercises. Focus on specific arm muscles with exercises like bicep curls, tricep extensions, and hammer curls. Progressive overload. Gradually increase the weight or resistance in your exercises to continue challenging your muscles. Workout frequency. Aim for 2 to 3 arm workouts per week, allowing adequate rest between sessions. Step 3. Prioritize nutrition. Proper nutrition is the cornerstone of muscle growth. Protein intake is essential. Consume sufficient protein to support muscle repair and growth. Include lean sources like chicken, fish, eggs, and legumes in your diet. To build muscle, you generally need to consume more calories than you burn, so focus on a caloric surplus. Whole foods and healthy fats should be your go-to. And don't forget hydration. Stay hydrated throughout the day to optimize muscle function and recovery. Step 4. Rest and recovery. Allowing your muscles time to recover is crucial for growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to support muscle repair and hormone regulation. Incorporate low-impact activities like swimming or yoga on rest days to promote blood flow and flexibility. Chronic stress can hinder muscle growth, so practice relaxation techniques like meditation or deep breathing. Step 5. Consistency and patience. Building bigger arms takes time and dedication. Stick to your workout and nutrition plan consistently. Monitor your arm measurements and strength gains to stay motivated. Be prepared to modify your routine as you progress and overcome plateaus. Remember, muscle growth takes time. Avoid getting discouraged if you don't see immediate results. Remember, while these steps provide a solid foundation, individual results may vary. Consider consulting with a fitness professional for personalized guidance. Would you like to delve deeper into any specific step, such as workout routines or nutrition plans?